Hi everyone, this is the Maths with Adam, and today we will talk about the order of operations. We will check some examples. So if we have a problem like 2 plus 7 times 3, how can we solve it? First, if we have bracket, we will solve the problem in the bracket. If in the bracket we have an other bracket or more problems, then we will just continue and following the basically start again the BODMAS. What is the BODMAS or BIDMAS? This is a little mosaic word: brackets, orders or indices, divide, multiply, add and subtract. Okay, this is the order of the things. If we solve them bracket, okay, we solve the things in the bracket. After that, if we have indices, we will, or orders, we will solve them. If we need divide or multiply, we will solve that. If we have multiplication and division in the same line, okay, then we start from left to right. And after the last one, addition and subtraction. Left to right again. Okay? Sometimes it's really tricky, but you will see it's not a hard thing. So, for example, we have this here, 2 plus 7 times 3. First, we don't have brackets, orders, division, and the multiplication will be here, and after the addition. So the multiplication is the first, and after the addition, this will be the second one. So 7 times 3, it's 21 plus 2, it's 23. Next one. First the multiplication, and from here we have addition and subtraction. They are on the same level here. So we will solve from left to right. So this will be the second one, and this will be the third one. Second and third. Okay. So 3 plus 2 times 10, it's 20, minus 11. So it's 23 minus 11, it's 12. Okay, I don't have too much space here, so I will just make some place, because the next one will be a little bit longer. So multiplication, division, addition and subtraction, they are on the same level, so basically we can cut here. First, second, it will be a number, okay, I don't know, like 5, not 5, but never mind, plus 5 minus 3. So this is a number, we solve this, it will be 2 plus 5 minus 3, it's 4. So first, second, third, and fourth. So 5 times 4, it's 20, divided by the 10, plus 5 minus 3, and it's equal. It's 2 plus 3 plus 5, minus 3. Okay, so every time if I do something, I just write this here. After I divide, I write this here. I add, I write this here. This is when they ask, show your work. Okay, 7. I solve this. Minus 3, it's 4. Okay, this is how it will work. We will see in the next one. We have 2 brackets. They are separated, so we will solve this bracket, after this bracket, and or this is the first, this is the second, and after we will multiply the value of the bracket. So I will just do like this. So first 3 plus 5, it's 8 times 10 divided, this was a bracket, 10 divided by 2, it's 5. So 8 times 5, it's 40. Okay, here is not too much theoretical part. Okay, so basically we need just practice and practice. Okay, we have a bracket and there is another bracket, a multiplication, subtraction, multiplication, another subtraction. So first the bracket. Sorry, I prefer to use this type of numbers, Roman numbers. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So bracket 2 times, we saw the bracket 4 plus 9 is 13, minus 4 times 3, it's 12. Or we can just solve this one. Okay, so you can see it's separated by the minus, so we can put here a bracket also. Okay, so if you solve this or this first, it doesn't matter. But this is why we don't have a division here or something. Okay, so it's totally separated. They are in other graphs. This is why we can. Yes, 12 minus 10. Okay, it's 26. So 26 minus 12 minus 10 is equal 14 minus 10, it's 4. Okay, because this is 14 minus 10. Okay, bracket in the bracket again. So we will start work out the inside. Every time if you have bracket in the bracket, we start with the bracket inside the bracket. Okay, so this and this. So first I will just calculate the brackets. I will make a little place here. Just like this. Okay. So 2 minus bracket 4 times 2 minus 7, it's minus 5. 4 times minus 5 minus 4 times 3 plus 8, it's 11. Close the bracket, minus 2 times 8 equal, and we'll continue here. So we have 2 multiplication. Yes, so it's tricky. Every time if we have minus 4 times minus something times something, it's like minus 4 times plus 11, or just we put here a bracket. Okay, it's really important. Later we will solve problem like this. Okay, and it can be really tricky, so be careful, because if we connect the minus to the 4, then it's minus 4 times 11, and this sign, this minus sign, the subtraction sign, it's will be minus sign too. Okay, so it's like plus minus times plus 11. Okay, so 4 times minus 5, 2 minus 20, minus 4 times 11, it's minus 44, minus 2 times 8 equal. First, I will just calculate the things in the bracket. It's minus 64. So 2 minus 64 minus 2 times. Okay, at the same time I will calculate this 2. It's 16. So equal. Yep, basically this can be like this. Okay, this bracket can be a normal bracket. So 2 minus it's plus. 2 plus 64 minus 16. It's 50. 66 minus 16. It's 50. 50, 50. Okay, and that's all. Okay, this type of question can be really tricky because it's long. Okay, so every time start the inner bracket. Okay, and if you do this, you will not miss anything and you will not do any mistakes. Okay, like this. Okay, 3 plus 15 divided by 6. I broke this problem because many students just forget that the fraction line also mean division and also mean brackets too. Okay, so it's mean division, but you divide the numerator and you need to put the numerator in a bracket. Okay, so this equal with 3 plus 15 divided by 6. So it's 18 divided by 6. It's 3. And the same with the roots. So first we add, because it's 29 plus 71 to the power 1 over 2. We just talked about the last video. And if I add this, okay, it's 100. Square root of the 100, and it's 10. And the last page, it's just some practice. Okay, it's mixed problem. So 12 minus 4 is 8 times other brackets 11. Sorry, it's just 9. 72. 105 minus 85, it will be 20 divided by 16 divided by 4, it will be 4. So 20 divided by 4, it's 5. And here's an indices. So first the brackets, but in the brackets we have an indices, so we will start with this. I will write this down again. So 56 minus 6 times 6, 36 times 4 plus 3. And we just can calculate the things in the brackets. It's 20, first bracket, times second bracket, 11. So it's 220. Because first I hide this 0. 20 times 11, 2 times 11, it's 22, and I just put the 0 here. Because I can write the 20 as 2 times 10, and just grouping the things. Okay. Here we have a bracket, of course we have. So we will start the numerator and after the denominator. So it's 25 minus 5, it's 20, divided by 2 times 5, it's 10, times 8. We can also multiply first, but don't forget, then we need the bracket. So we can simplify by 0, by 10. We can cross the zeros. So it's 2 times 8, 16. And here I just prepared the fraction line, because plus 1 divided by 9 plus 2. We can write like this, okay? Not necessary, but we can. So it's 18 divided by 9 plus 2. So 2 plus 2, it's 4. And next one, also we can just calculate here, 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 here. So first the denominator, and after the first the numerator, after the denominator. It's 15 over 3 plus 40 over 10. So I just this here, 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 and here. Okay, so I'm just moving with my eyes like tuck, 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 tuck. So it's 5 plus 4. 15 divided by 3, it's 5, plus 40 divided by 10, it's 4. So it's 9. Okay, next one. It's again some tricky question. So yeah, 4 times. I start with the inner bracket, 12 minus 3 minus 12, it's minus 9. So I will just 4 times 12 plus 9, 4 times 21, so it's 84. Okay, just like this. Every time just one step. Tuck, tuck, tuck. Inner brackets, multiplication, and just like this. We have place, okay, so 5 plus 2 times 4 plus 26, it's 40. Minus 23 equal, I will continue here. 5 plus 60, okay, so I open this bracket, minus 23. 65 minus 23, I just add them, and it will be 42. 42. Okay, next one, the same. 200 times 100 minus 4 times inner bracket, 2 plus 8, it's 10, minus 100 equal, I will continue here. I open this bracket. 200 times 100 minus 4 times 10, it's 40. Minus 100. And at the same time, I want to change the brackets because it's like this. Okay. No, sorry, it's just like was before. I made here the mistake. Okay, sorry. If we don't change the brackets, it can help to follow on works. Okay, so this is why I 200 times 60, so 100 minus 40 minus 100. So I just cover 1, 2, 3 zeros, so 2 times 6, it's 12, and I put back the 3 zeros, but I just covered, and I take away the 100. Okay, I continue here. So it's 11,900. Okay, last one, just some roots. 100 minus 36, it's 64, and 64 we know it's 8 times 8, so square root of 64, it's 8. Square root of square root 100 minus 19 plus 27, yes. So I will just calculate this one. It's 81. So it's 9 times 9, so the square root of the 81, it's 9, plus 27, it's square root of 36, so it's 6, because 6 times 6 is 36. Okay, we solved a ton of problem in this video. I hope it's followable and you liked it. See you in the next video. Bye.